Forever 21 is closing down, so we came to shop a little bit with kids. I just got this pretzels, just regular ones, mini ones, because kids love that. Now I'm waiting for my sister to bring the kids out because they're getting bubble tea. I don't like bubble tea, but they like it. So now we go to shop. Qizlar qalaysizlar, bizada Forever 21 degan magazin yopilyapti. Polni 10 kun ichida yopilar ekan. O'shanga katta skidka ketyapti. Yes, katta skidka ketyapti. Bolalar bilan keldik. Anaqaga shopping qilishga. Hozir bu yerdan bubble tea olishyapti. Bolalarga singlim olyapti. Men nariyoqdan bulochkalar oldim. Chunki bular pastdan narsa yeb turishmasa, bizga shapitcha qilishga qilishmaydi. Ruxsat berishmaydi. Yig'layverib, ingillayverib. Shunga endi ikkita bola. Mana katta jiyanim. Hozir ketyapmiz. Shu magazindan oxirgi marta shopping qilamiz. Mana bulochka oldim. Shunaqa zo'r. Here we are, Forever 21 for the last time. So sad. Ana Forever 21 ga keldik. 10 kun ichida yopiladi degan. Как-то обидно тоже. Chunki bu yerdan anaqa nima deydi, kostyum narsani topsalar ham bo'ladi. Qaranglar. Wow. Look at this. I'm upset. I'm kind of upset. Everything 60%, 60 to 80, 60dan 80% gacha yo'q. Katta naqa bo'lyapti, men yukan qaranglar. Prinsessa. Look at this princess. I would never wear this. Look at this jacket, guys. This is $20 on sale. $20 asal. Original was 50. 49 edi original. Hozir $20. Endi o'ylamam, olmayman. I don't know, should I get it or not? I really love cute stuff, like girly stuff sometimes, like pink and purple and that color, white and stuff. So I'm really loving these. And I love also like short jackets. Look how cute they are. Asalligini qaranglar, menga shunaqa kalta kurtkalar yoqadi. Просто olmayman o'ylayapman. Hammasi asal ekan. Mana bu shortini qaranglar qizlar. Tursiga o'xshaydi. Hech kim olmagan. Kim kiyadi buni? Вообще прикольно. This is the bottom floor, guys. Look at this. Nothing left. Ko'ryapsizlarmi? Pustoy уже magazin. Qizlar qaranglar mana. Guys, see. Qo'yib qo'ygani mana. $11-12 narsalar hozir $4, $4.80. Menga hozir mana bu shim yoqdi. Shuni olaman. Qaniydi va yo'qotib qo'ydim. Hozir qo'ydim, qatga qo'ydim. Bitta shim yoqdi, ko'rib qoldim. Mamamida. Mana 27. Mana. Bu $39 originali. Hozir $39 $16 ekan. Shuncha narsa oldik. This whole thing we got. Asalligini qaranglar. How cute is this? So this is all what we got. Shuncha narsa oldik. Qancha bo'ldi? Let's see how much we paid for all this. $3 bo'pti. $103. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Forever 21. Obzor qilib beraman hozir nima olganimni sizlar bilan. Okay, first thing is I got this top for night out, or even for daytime I think, but I think mostly for night out. It's cute pink, just like how I love this material. shunaqa kofta kechki payt kiyishga, qat'iqadir bu joyga borganda kostyumlarning ichidan. Ro'zvi yaxshi ko'rgan rangim. I got leggings, high rise, small size. Leggings oldim. Anaqaga chiqishga, zalga chiqishga. Bu ham zo'r ekan. Next I got biker shorts, also for the gym. And zalga chiqishga shortik. Chunki issiq bo'ladi zal. Yana bitta topik zalga ham. This is another top, like bra, sports bra for gym. Eng yoqtirgan narsam olganlarimdan mana shim bo'ldi. Sevdim. Qaranglar. Asal, yengil turadigan shim. Tagi kloshli. Och rangli. O'sha yoqdi menga bu. This jeans, I am just in love with this jeans. I'm glad they had my size, so I bought this for only $10. Light blue, so pretty. High rise. Yeah. So next is waist chain, body jewelry with the butterflies, so cute. So I've been looking for a body waist chain for a long time. Finally found it. Cute one. Mana taqinchoq. Mana ko'rasizlar, mana shu taliyaga to'yis. Chiroyli kapaleli. This is next. Just necklace. I mean, just regular necklace because I never have long necklace. That's why I got this. And I barely wear gold, so bo'yinga taqinchoq, tepochka, uzun tepochkalarim почти yo'q, o'shaning uchun oldim. Ipilli rangli, uncha taqqim kelmaydi, o'shaning uchun bu kakras, ana oddiy anaqa bo'lgani uchun oldim. Chiroyli ekan, menga yoqdi. Keyingisi juda ham chiroyli. Bu menga juda ham yoqdi. Bitta ko'rishimda sevdim. Bunaqa yulduzcha bilan yarim oy bo'lgani uchun asal ekan, o'zi ham ko'p zo'r turadi kiyimlar bilan. Такой topiklar bilan. Bu ham uzun taqinchoq, tepochka. So this is also one of my favorite jewelry that I bought today. So which is beautiful, long. It goes really nice with corsets and some. Okay, this is the last one and the most prettiest one, cutest one. Look how nice it is. This color is nice with jeans and stuff, with dresses. Super cute choker oldim. Shunaqa asal rangli, jinsi rangda. Nежный o'tishga qaranglar. Krasota. Men buni tushib qolgan ekan, qaramasdan olibman men ham. Mayli. Uncha unaqa bilmayapti-yu.